How to get Temu energy without sharing. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Temu energy without sharing on social media and without inviting or sharing with your friends. For that, you will need to open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. If not, use your credentials to log into your account. Temu provides rewards for its users for daily logins, so you will need to tap on this daily gift box option here to claim the daily check-in from Temu. Once you tap on it, you will reach to a new page where you will need to tap on this open the box option, wait for a while, and you will be able to claim the daily check-in reward from Temu. Also, you can look for any tasks or missions within the application that can reward you with energy. This could include things like browsing products, adding items to your wish list, or even making purchases. Also keep an eye out for any special events or promotions that Temu might run, as these can sometimes offer energy as a reward. For that, you will need to tap on this U icon at the central button below and you will reach to this page. Here tap on this messages on the top and within it you will find promotion options. Tap on it and there you will find any special events or promotions that Temu is running currently. Here you can tap on any one of these offers and get Temu energy without sharing. So by following these steps, you can accumulate Temu energy without sharing on social media or inviting friends. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.